Useful tricks in Excel Online. While the desktop version of Excel offers more possibilities than the online version, it also contains some options that are easier to use than in the desktop version. Let's take a look at some examples. When you use the function wizard in Excel Online, you have the option to insert a function with a preview. You get a pop-out window that explains how the function works, including an example of how to fill in the function. Next, let's hide a column or row by right-clicking on it and using the option Hide Column. To unhide the column, hover over the hidden column at the top of the sheet. Click on the double arrow icon that appears. The column is no longer hidden. Now let's move this column to another location. To do this, hover over the column letter. Notice the block of dots that appears above the column. You can use this to drag and drop the column between the other columns. Note that you can do the same for a selection of columns or rows. Now let's freeze the first columns of this table. Hover over the thick line on the left side before the first column until the cursor changes in a hand icon. Now hold the left mouse button and drag this line to the right. The blue line indicates where the freeze panes will be applied. When you navigate to the right on your sheets, the selected columns will remain visible. To remove the freeze panes, hover over the thick line at the top of the sheet until you see the hand icon again. Then drag the line to the left of column A. Finally, let's open a CSV, or comma-separated value file with Excel Online. As you can see, the values are automatically split up in multiple columns. Please note this is a view-only version of the file. To edit the values, you need to convert it to a newer format, or open it with the desktop version as usual. Until now, these options are not available in the desktop version of Excel, but it's possible they'll appear there also in the future.